Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the January 2020 Allure Beauty Box. I almost said June 2019. Where have I been for the last 7 months? January 2020. Anyway, before we get started, if you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button. It really helps me out, and the little bell if you're interested in getting alerts. And if you like this video while you're watching it, hit that thumbs up. And any comments you have while you're watching, down in the comment section down below. I appreciate all of those things very, very much. All right, let's go ahead and get into the box. It is the Allure for January 2020. Let's go ahead and open this sucker up. There is a book inside that has all of the products that are in the box. So I'm just going to put that aside for now. Let's go ahead and take a peek. So that is my box for January. Let's go ahead and take the items out and see what we got here. So I do have this little book here. I'm going to pull this out first. This is a mascara. It's a full-size mascara. It is the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. So I'm going to take it out just to show you the packaging, but I'm not going to open it because I already have way too many mascaras open at the moment. Maybe. Who will win, Jessica or the mascara? Let's open the other end and see if I can manage to get it out one way or the other. Alright, so the packaging is super cute. It's like a bamboo, I think, if I had to guess. It's like a bamboo. It's actually wood. So that's kind of cool. Like I said, I'm not going to open it. It is the Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. Now, I'm not going to open it up, like I said, because I do have a lot of mascaras open. But that is a nice thing to get. And I'm actually happy I got this instead of the alternate. You could get one of two different mascaras. You could get this one, or you could get the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Now, I've gotten that several times. I have many unopened of those in my drawer. I have like a whole box full of unopened mascaras. So I'm pretty good for mascaras for a while, but I'm not going to go ahead and open this. Let's go ahead and read what the paper says about the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. It says, I have long eyelashes, so when I want low-key length, this mascara delivers on all fronts. It coats and lengthens lashes without making them droop. One easy coat in and I saw a difference. If you're expecting a mascara that aggressively volumizes your eyelashes, look elsewhere. This guy gives lashes length and just a bit of volume, which is exactly right for me, and I dig the wooden tube too. And that is GT, which is Gabriella Thorne, an editorial assistant. You can get it at Tarte Cosmetics, Tarte X Allure 2020 to receive 15% off your order. And it says you will receive either the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara or the Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I'm going to read to you what the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes says. I have basic mascara requirements, no wacky wands and no clumping. This one perfectly fits my needs while adding a nice dose of volume. 2 coats in, I look like I could fly away. If you're going through a breakup, be warned, it's not waterproof. But if there is no crying in your immediate future, unscrew the wand, pull out, and apply for fluttery drama. So it does have a picture with the gold packaging. I think most of the time it's like a blue packaging or like a blue purple. But that is what they look like. All right, and like I said, I'm actually happy I got this because I have a couple of unopened Lights Camera Lashes in my drawer over there. All right, the rest of this basically is skincare. Yeah. All right, let's just jump in. I'm going to pull this out because this is probably the one of the last remaining items in here that I'm the most excited about. This is the Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. And I have been really into trying out different lip balms recently and lip masks and stuff. So it is a little tin. It says Akar on the front. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It might be Akar. A care? I don't know. All right. All right, so it's just like a little like golden paste in there. It's actually a good bit in there. How much is in here? 7 milliliters or 1/4 of an ounce. Ooh, it is super, super soft. Okay. I was not expecting that. Like I was expecting to get like the texture of a lip sleeping mask that I have. All right, it just, I mean, it's clear. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and find it in the book and we can talk about it. So this is the Allure Skin Pure Lip Restoration. I have my own personal weather girl. Her name is Eczema, and she tells me exactly what I can expect from the forecast. Is humidity low? I'll get an itchy hands alert. Frigid temps, dry patches ahead. Wind from the north. I'll know. With lips so chapped it hurts to laugh. For me, a balm needs to be multi-purpose. I use them constantly, everywhere. Allure Skin Pure Lip Restoration is one of the few that has actually made it to purse status because it reliably soothes my cracked lips without feeling like a thick ointment. Almond and castor seed oil are the main hydrating ingredients, while beeswax locks in moisture, and its light citrus smell comes from orange peel oil packed with antioxidants. I dab it on rough patches all day, but always reach for it as a lip balm first thing in the morning. By the time I decide what lip color I'm going to wear that day, it's fully absorbed, leaving a nice, smooth base behind. From Kathleen Suko, assistant editor. A full size is $30. You can get it from Allure Skin. Allure01 at checkout to receive 10% off your order from January 1st through February 29th. I think it has more of a minty smell than an orange. That's just my own personal opinion, but I think it has more like a minty smell. Okay. Next up, let's go with whatever's on the next page of the book. This right here. This is the Vitabrid Dual Drop Serum. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Snazzy. It's a little squeezy tube. All right. I'm not going to open it just yet. I'm going to read it first and then decide whether I want to open it or not. So this is the Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. All I want in my beauty life is glowing, dewy skin. So I keep 2 ingredients in heavy rotation, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This serum conveniently has both. 2 weeks in, I'm in love. My skin is brighter, smoother, and thoroughly moisturized. But best of all, I've noticed a significant change in its texture. The vitamin C and peptides help promote new collagen, while the hyaluronic acid keeps moisture sealed in. From Danielle Odiamar, Associate Director for Social Media. Full size price is $62. I'm pretty sure this is not full size. In fact, it doesn't look full size. Vitabrid.com. Enter Allure20 at checkout to purchase a full-size dual drop serum for the special price of $9.90. Valid from January 1st through March 31st. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a try, or give it a smell at least. Okay, it smells floral. It's actually pretty thick. I don't know if the camera is showing how fast that's moving down my hand, but it's actually fairly thick. I mean, my hand is upright and it is barely moving down my hand. So that's actually pretty impressive. I'll tell you what, one drip will go a long way. Like I could basically cover my entire hand with this. So, all right, I will give that a try. Vitamin C serums and I don't always get along. I've tried a couple and they have a tendency to like irritate my skin if I use it every single day. But I'll give it a try. Okay, the next item on this page is this right here. And what's funny is I have the same product sitting right beside me. And the only reason why I have this sitting right beside me is because I was looking through some of my sample packages because I'm about to leave for an overnight trip. And I was looking for something that would be a really easy hair oil that's like in a small size, and this is a hair oil that's in a small size. So yeah. All right. This is the Nature Lab Perfect Shine Oil Mist. I went blonde last summer and it made my hair drier than it's ever been. And while the bleach has mostly grown out, the shine never really came back. I was hoping for some magic from this serum and its buzzy ingredients list. Grape stem cells and hyaluronic acid. The first time around, I followed the directions. Lightly mist on dry hair for mirror-like shine. That made my hair a little greasy though, so I decided to go off script. I spritzed the silicone and oil formula on my hands and worked it into my hair from the ends up, stopping halfway to my roots. That did the trick. Mirror-like shine achieved. So that's from Rosemary Donahue, Digital Wellness Editor. And you can get it at amazon.com/naturelab. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 15% off your order. So I typically use hair oil every single day, and I use it more as like a way to calm some frizziness, because my hair can get like really big if I let it. So yeah, I wouldn't actually use it as like I wouldn't put it on dry hair. Like I typically put it in when my hair is still damp, and it helps with like holding some of my curl. Like some of my curls will hold in better with the oil in it, and it does calm some of my frizziness. So that's what I typically use hair oil for. I put some in my hand and then just like work it through my hair. So I will give that a try. And I will be back before you're seeing this video. So I will try to remember to put in the comment section or in the description down below what I thought of it. But let's go ahead and see if it has a smell. It smells really good. It smells really good. Okay. Let's go to this item right here. This is from Kate Somerville. It is the Exfoliate. And I'm going to pull it out, I think. Let's see. Okay. It's just a wee little sample. Now this is actually smaller than I expected it to be honest with you. Allure does not typically put products this small in their product or in their boxes, but all right. So this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This cultish exfoliator arrived on my radar about 3 years ago when I stumbled on a YouTube video about it. Just a few days later, I found one in the office and have been a fan of it ever since. The grainy paste works as a mask, a scrub, and a peel, all at the same damn time. In addition to superfine granules to slough away dead skin, it contains lactic acid, which acts as a chemical exfoliant. I like to use Exfoliate when my face is in need of some help, usually once a week. And the tingle is real. If you have particularly sensitive skin, tread lightly before you know how it will react. It's especially wonderful at keeping my skin smooth and calm in the face of a breakout. And the scent, it smells more like an herbal remedy shop than a pricey skincare product. It's not cheap, $175 for a 5-ounce bottle, $75 for a 1.7 ounces, and this is a quarter of an ounce. But did I mention the gorgeous glow you get? You can get it at Sephora.com. And the last item in here is this right here. This is from Philosophy. It's the Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. So, okay, that is also a quarter of an ounce. It's a wee little sample. I'm a little surprised. Normally Allure does not have samples this small. So this actually does surprise me in how tiny, like this sample, this sample, this sample. It's just got a lot of small samples in here, but it does have a full-size mascara, so I don't know. So this is the Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. Never have I ever been so confused when opening a skincare product. You see, this moisturizer, upon first glance, looked more or less like blueberry sorbet. Wait, I'll back up. After a sweaty berries boot camp class, I washed my face using the communal cleanser in the locker room, then grabbed this Philosophy water cream. I paused when I saw the blueberry sorbet situation, but this wasn't the time, place for a deeper investigation. So as I would with any moisturizer, I scooped out a dollop and patted it on my face. Immediately it melted from a fluffy whip to a watery fluid. A few moments later, my skin was plumper, dewier, and more hydrated. The cream felt so good, I went back for some more and slathered it down my neck and onto my chest. I would have kept applying, but I had to get dressed for work. And that's from Sarah Canonen, Associate Digital Beauty Director. Oh, did I say that the Exfoliate was from Jihan Forbes, Digital Hair Editor? I'm not sure that I said that. You can get this at philosophy.com. You can also get Philosophy at Sephora, I'm pretty sure. Enter Allure at checkout to receive free shipping plus a free deluxe mini of your choice with any $39 purchase from January 1st through February 29th. So that is my entire box this month. Honestly, I'm not incredibly impressed, but they are a lot of higher end products. So it does have the water cream, the Exfoliate, the vitamin C serum, the hair oil, the lip restoration, which I'm actually really looking forward to, and then the full-size mascara. So it does have 6 products in here, which is nice, and they are higher end products, which again are nice, even though they're smaller samples. So I can't say that I'm upset. But I am a little bit disappointed only because they don't usually have samples that small. But you do have to take into account that they are definitely like a higher end product. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you still haven't hit that subscribe button, why not? I'm a pretty funny person, I think. I keep telling everybody that I'm funny. Yeah. Hit that subscribe button if you wouldn't mind. I'd appreciate it. And if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of the Allure box and the products that I received this month. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'd love to hear from you all. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.